Everyone, welcome back to tutorial millennial channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to import your photo on Adobe Lightroom. Let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightroom, and then in here at the menu you can click this one. Click icon picture and plus, click on it, and then click allow, and then after this you can click a photo that you want to import. Maybe this one, and then after this you can click on add at the bottom. Please waiting, and then you can click this one, all photo, and then here you can see the photo that has been imported, and then so that's how to import your photo to Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.